Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinay and you're watching Linux Best. In this video we'll be doing the unboxing of MPOW H12 ANC wireless headphones. As you can see on the screen, you've got these, and quite light actually, and there's some spec here: dual mic, active noise cancelling, Wi-Fi audio, hands-free calling, closed back ear loops, up to 30 hours playback time, and then there's ANC as well. With ANC off you get 30 hours, and with ANC on it gets half, about 15 hours. So charging time 2 to 3 hours, 500 milliamp hour battery, version 4.1. I doubt that because the new ones probably are 5, so we'll have a look at what's inside and we'll find out that. Some support information, features, manufacturer information, Hong Kong based, MPOW, and yeah, all that stuff in here. Let me just open it up and see what we have inside it. Yeah, so there's a sticker on top that we have to just move to open it up. So yep, gotten hold of this, and the sticker is off, so that's great. And now let me just open it out. Okay, so wow, that's stuff. Okay, right, so there she goes, and we are ready to open it up. You got the outer cover and the headphones inside. Wow, there's some nasty stuff there. And inside you have some cables, 3.5mm headphone jack, and you've got the USB-A to micro USB cable, I think 1/2 meter, and this 3.5mm headphone jack is 1 meter long, it seems. And there's some guidance, so let's keep all of this to the side and just have a look at the headphones. Okay, so the bag's off, and you've got this here, that's the case, and actually looks decent, quite decent really, which is good. And inside you've got the headphones, as you can see. Whoa, so they're foldable headphones, which is a good thing, helps you with the travel, and they really look decent. Oh dear, oh my god, that's really nice. Really nice. The rubber casing is really good. It's all plastic here, it's all plastic, and if you, yeah, it's, so that's metal or sort of aluminum, but this is all plastic. And then there's this matte finished rubberized coating on top, just for the comfort. That's really nice. And then you've got, oh, that's really good, I like it. The ear cushion is also rubberized matte, soft matte finished, and that's good. Then you've got sort of mattish outer ear loop, that's good. And then you've got ANC button here, ANC on, ANC off, and that turns on the green light, as you can see. Then let's turn it off. Which way is off? Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, so then you've got some plus power, minus, so they also act as fast forward and pause play. And then you've got the micro USB charging port. I think this is the noise cancelling that's about these headphones. And then I really can't find the cable. Is probably in, yeah, the cable is inside. So what you've gotten is, that's the headphones that you got, and that's the case, and that's the outer cover for these headphones. Yeah, so that's it from me. I'm gonna probably pop in another review after I've tested it. I've gotten the feel of these headphones now, and I'm just going to be testing the audio quality and generally how the ANC fares, how the buttons work. They seem really good, quite tactile and quite sturdy, and obviously the cushion and all of this construction, the build quality looks really good. So that's it from me. If you have any questions, just pop down in the comment section below. Feel free to forward these to your friends and family. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to My Next Best. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.